I know you don't want me to waste your time telling you a bunch of nonsense that you do not care about when it comes down to the 9950X 3D, so I'm just simply going to tell you what I would tell a friend if they ended up asking me whether or not this thing is actually worth it. Now, the first thing that I'm about to say here is probably not going to be what you expect me to tell you, and it's probably not going to be what you want me to tell you either. Unless you have a 5090, 5080, 4090, or 4080, no, this thing is absolutely not worth it. Really quick, wanted to hop in here and show you the gaming benchmarks. The 5090 with this thing is absolutely crazy. Even at 4K, that's mind-boggling that we're getting FPS like that. You also need an X870 motherboard if you want to get the full-blown features that this thing offers. This is such a high-end, powerful CPU that it will absolutely future-proof you so that you don't need to upgrade your CPU for, in all honesty, ever again, unless you just simply want to, because this is better than the 9800X 3D, but it requires such a high end computer that whether or not this thing is actually worth it to you heavily depends on what type of computer you're actually going to be building here. If you're going to be trying to build some sort of budget computer with an extremely high end CPU like this, then no, it's not worth it. And I'm just trying to be really realistic here because the market right now for PC parts specifically are outrageous. And CPUs are fine, but like the RAM, the memory, the graphics cards, the storage, like everything is just so out of the roof right now that it's really hard for me to say whether or not it is like honestly worth it, because you need other high end parts, in my opinion, in order to actually make it worth it. And the other parts are what cause it to not be worth it. so so it is the best CPU out there, but just keep in mind that in order for the best CPU out there to be the best CPU out there, you need the other parts that are the best parts out there, if that makes sense to you. So I recommend it, man, but whether or not it's worth it to you, just keep in mind you need a very high-end computer in order for this to function the way it's intended to. Because if you get this and all of the other, if you have like a 5070, or you have one of the TLC NVMEs, or you have like slow DDR5, and you have a B650 with, you know what I mean? Like if you're getting all those other cheap parts, then no, this is absolutely not worth it to you. You're just tossing money at something that is not going to function the way it should be. So yeah, I recommend it. Just keep in mind you need other parts that are going to be high end in order to actually make it worth it to you.